The animal kingdom is a large and wondrous place filled with many beautiful things. Today we will be exploring a particular location in this domain. Join me as we explore the magnificent animal kingdom.
Mama Bear Fox here. Mama Bear Fox. Does anyone have a free lunch period this afternoon? I'm not really feeling like sitting by myself again. Oh, hey! Welcome to Ursuline Academy, y'all! Around here, we've got some pretty crazy kids in this big old animal kingdom. And you know what? Speaking of crazy, I can be just as crazy. I just get right in the middle of their dance circle, do my own little thing, and they love it. So you know what? Follow me into this big old animal kingdom, and I'll show you all around. This is the UA Cafe, the main watering hole of UA. Here, all the grades coexist peacefully. So peaceful. Now let's explore the food chain. There go a herd of freshmen. They travel slowly in packs. Now over here are the sophomores. They thrive off attention, even though no one cares.
Guys, did you guys hear what Sarah did last night?
What'd she do?
Can you believe it?
What'd she do?
Oh my goodness, she hung out with Daniel! What? So annoying.
I would tell you and show you the juniors, but no one really knows where they are. They live in seclusion until they reach the top of the food chain. Speaking of which, now, many believe that the seniors are at the top of the food chain, but they can be easily subdued. Now, who's not in uniform? Go, go, go! Wait! Who has the procs? Look! A freshman! She has a procs!
This is so going on my Snapchat story.
I think we've really proved who's at the top of the food chain, y'all.